Okay. Swift. Swift. What is Swift? Swift is a bio link organizer, if that is the term that one uses. But basically, it is a like Linktree, which is where you can list all of your websites and your offerings. It is exactly like that, but even better. And in today's review, I am talking about Swift, which is on a lifetime deal from AppSumo. You can find a link either in the comments or in the actual description, depending where you're watching this. So welcome along. Who am I? Richard Butler. I give you honest reviews of software that I actually own and use. So let's get straight into this. I'm going to share my screen here and I'm going to show you what Swift is because it's probably easier to show you what it is rather than to tell you what it is. So let me just go in and share this window here. And you'll see this is my Swift page here. And if I just go here to share profile or view profile, what you will see is you will actually see how the page looks. Okay. Now I've actually embedded a chatbot in there, which is really good. I've embedded my link for my discovery calls. I've embedded reviews and all of my social media here. Okay. So here I can exchange contacts, save contact, etc. Now this looks perfect on mobile as well. If I just reduce this in size, you will see that it goes down like this. So what I can do is I can just put this link, which I have done, on all of my social media. Swift ID, English Coach. Okay, perfect. So how easy is it to use? Super easy. It's on AppSumo right now. A lifetime deal. You pay once and you can use it forever. So here what I can do is I can just go in and I can edit each section here. So if I click on edit, I see all of the information here. I can add in a what's up if I want, my LinkedIn. I can have different dark modes, custom background, etc. Okay, let me go back. And the next thing I want to do is, well, I have a video here. But how do I put a video in? Well, here when I click on the plus sign, I have add section. And in the add section, I can have website links, I can embed a video, and meet the team, social links, HTML, whatever I want. So it gives you a lot of opportunities here to make a really sparkling profile. I have my about me there. Now I can go in, I can edit that section. The chat with me, how did I do that? Great question. If I go into edit, I have just put in my, it says calendar embed, but I can actually put in my chat link there. The calendar, the calendar embed is actually my Calendly link. If I go in here, or not Calendly, TidyCal, should I say? That comes up. The reviews, if I go in here, what I can do is I used a section here. It's been a while since I've done this, but I believe it was here. Okay, the review section. And if I go down, I have this section here, add review, and I can put in the review source there. So if actually, I think what I did here, let me see. I think I actually created this as no, I think I actually went in. I can't import those directly in, but probably what I could have done, and it's been a while, I could have done a HTML embed here. Okay, so I could have gone in there and I could have gone down and I could have just gone add HTML embed and I would put in the HTML code. So I can actually put anything in there. Okay, let me just delete. And I want to, I don't want to do that. I don't want to delete that. And I click on delete here and that's it. I put on my social media if I want. And when I am done, I just go share profile. Now, I have contacts if I've shared contacts with people. And the analytics is really interesting. So these are the people who have clicked from YouTube, from LinkedIn, from Facebook, people who have downloaded my contact. And a lot of the times I can see where they are from here. Okay, so if I go back to page 2, I can see more information. Now, here's a really interesting thing. I can actually put this into a Google Wallet, or I can actually have it on Apple Wallet. And if I go into Apple Wallet, I can actually download that pass and I can put it there. So when I'm talking to somebody, I can just give them my pass and they can scan it and that automatically saves for them. So it's a really, really useful tool. And as I said, it's on AppSumo, it's on a lifetime deal and it's for nothing. Well, actually, let's have a look and see exactly how much it is going for here. So if I go into Swift, and it's gone for $19. Okay, absolute steal at that price. So if you're interested, well, ask me any questions that you may have in the comments, and I would appreciate if you use my link. So that's it. Super simple, super easy to use, well worth the money. I'll see you in the next review. And